Hey guys, this is Blake, Sleep Solutions. We're here to talk about snoring. Here at Sleep Solutions, we actually have an affordable way to help you stop snoring. We have what's called a wedge pillow. A wedge pillow raises your head up, helps open the air passage so you don't snore as much. The other thing we can do is we can do a wedge box spring where it's 4 inches higher at the head than it is the foot. It actually raises the bed so you actually sleep longer. So, if you got a snoring problem and your husband is actually trying to peel the paint off the walls, you need to come see us. We can help you make your husband not snore as much. Come see us.